All right, Algebra 1, we're going to do one more word problem. Example 5, so I'm kind of going backwards here. This is where we are. Carla begins biking south at 20 kilometers at noon. Okay, so let's say Carla is right here. Oops, I'm going to go ahead and draw in purple so you'll see me. And she is going south at 20 kilometers per hour. And we know specifically that she left at noon. Dean is going to leave from the exact same point, okay? But now Dean's at the exact same point. We don't know where they are. They don't say. He leaves 15 minutes later to catch up with her. And remember, Dean is biking at 24 kilometers per hour. So he is chasing after Carla. And we know he's leaving at 12:15 to catch up with Carla. Now notice I'm going to make these two equal. So let's go ahead and set up our chart. The first thing I know is distance. Sorry, let's not start with distance. Let's start with rate times time and make that equal to distance. Remember, the equal is what we're always going to work with. And we have Carla and we have Dean. Carla's rate was 20 kilometers per hour and Dean's rate was 24. Now, one of the problems we have is that we have 15 minutes, but our whole time needs to be in place of hours. So 15 minutes is equivalent to, well, 15 over 60 is equal to 1/4 of an hour. So we're going to call Carla time. We know that she left at noon, but they're asking us how long it took Dean to catch up with her. So I'm going to call Dean's time minus 1/4 because notice Dean leaves 15 minutes after. So Carla is riding her bike 1/4 of an hour longer than Dean. Does that make sense? Now we're going to multiply 20t and 24 times t minus 1/4. Don't forget we have to put this in parentheses. And because their distances are equal, 20t is equal to 24 times t minus 1/4. When I distribute, I get 24t minus, well, 24 times 1/4 is 6. We're going to go ahead and subtract 24t. And -6 is equal to -4t. When I divide each side by -4, t is equal to 3/2. Well, I know that this is 1.5 hours. But they're not asking us Carla's time. Notice it says if Dean bikes at 24 kilometers per hour, how long will it take for him to catch up with Carla? So I have my work down there. Somehow my notes got split. Okay, so I know that this time is 1.5 hours, which is 1 hour, 30 minutes. But we know that Dean rode 15 minutes shorter. He didn't get on his bike till 12:15. So I have to subtract that 15. So it took Dean 1 hour and 15 minutes. You can write that like this. And it took Dean 1 hour and 15 minutes to catch up with Carla.